Bro, I swear this ain't happened overnight, bro. I've been doing this since 09. Got fired a couple times just to get good at it, you feel me?
I be welding.
Hey, this for my partners east to west. I don't care if you on the pipeline, I don't care if you working doubles or straight time. Hey, this for y'all.
I be welding.
I told you I got us. The whole world gon' see it now. We gon' get that recognition. Real.
Take off.
My feel the slow is about 3 something. Hurry up, I'm tryna be something. Drop my hood, get up off my back. Now what's up with that? You tryna see something? Lens tinted like Ray-Bans, gold plated, shade 10. I can tack it up, just say when. You ain't ready for me? Okay then. Make good guap with my hood chop. Pipeline with a rag top. Boot cut on my jeans. FRs on my sleeves. My welder cats been through hell and back. Lack confusion, what the hell is that? I well hot, yes real hot. You well cold, you dead wrong. Now what was all of that fuss about? Stop talking, hush your mouth. My fear to talk about taking time. What you mean? I'm about to flush it out. Guaranteed you won't cut this out. Better shoot, there's the proof. Better find a helper on carry tools. There's only one thing that I'm here to do. I'm welding.
I've been making money going state to state.
I'm welding.
Driving all across this country just to make a way.
I'm welding.
Please don't get me mad, I'm dragging no without a reason.
I'm welding.
I ain't even worried about it, boys, out of season.
Welding.
Don't touch my leaves,
Welding.
turn up my heat.
Welding.
If it ain't round,
Welding.
I'll turn it down.
Welding.
I started from nothing, wasn't supposed to make it.
Welding.
Highly favored, no mistaking, and that's why they pay me.
I drag up when I feel like it. Say something on like
Gon' say it.
You expect me to drive across the country, but that the damn ain't right. You low ballin', I'm not calling. I will not show up to your site. No game boss, just a bag, homie. Never know when you got a drag on. My rig smoking like cig smokers. Crack the valve open. Regulator stay wide open. Flash burns, got my eyes swollen. Maxed out, I'm about to turn it up. Stainless steel, I'm about to burn it up. Stop complaining, I done heard enough. I'm a welder, baby, you ain't heard of us. Like, yeah. Foreman talking crazy like you pay me, told him, yeah. Hurry, get my papers, he don't know I'm about to drag. Hold up, and I roll up before we show up. I don't mean to come off selfish. If you think you do it better, then well.